Welcome back. We are now inside of YouTube Studio. We're going to go to the Create button. What we're then going to do is to go to this area that says Go Live. That's going to bring us into our live streaming area. What we're going to do is we're going to schedule our live stream for the time in which we are going to go live inside of our school account. So we're going to schedule our stream and we're going to set up our stream. Now, for the sake of this video, we're not going to go through the entire setup process for doing a live video. What you'll want to do is you'll want to get the share link. You want to grab that share link. However, you will not be able to put this share link inside of your school account. You'll then want to go ahead and put that link here in this area. That's going to give you a specific link. What you will then do is you will take this link and then you will head back to your school account. And your live stream will be added. And so your scheduled live stream is then added to your course. And when you go live, individuals will be able to watch your live stream from inside your school account. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.